Hey everyone, so today's video is a date night get ready with me in collaboration with Look Fantastic. I have absolutely loved Look Fantastic for years, so I'm so happy to be working with them. They've got every product you could possibly need for any occasion. So I'm going to be showing you my makeup, hair and outfit, so let's get into it. I'm starting by using the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer for my base. I love the little glitter particles in this and it makes your makeup go on really smoothly. All of the products I'm showing in this video you can find on Look Fantastic and I will link them down below for you. So for foundation, I'm using the Shiseido Synchro Skin Foundation. I'm wearing shade 230 in this. It's a really nice foundation and you can build it up as much as you like. Onto concealer, I'm also using one from the same line as the foundation. I'm actually really impressed with this. It goes on so nicely, especially under your eyes. For a contour, I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick. I love a cream contour and this one is perfect and such a great price too. Next, I'm just brushing my eyebrows and using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil first and then the Sigma Brow Powder Duo just to fill them in because my eyebrows are just so light. To set my face for now, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. This is really good just to blend everything into the skin too. Next, I'm using the Illamasqua Color Correcting Bronzer and this is so good with the neutralizing blue shade in the middle. It just goes on so nicely and again, really easy to build up with. Then I'm just setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and then putting a little bit of concealer on my eyes ready for the shadow. So for my eyes, I'm actually using a blush palette by Makeup Revolution because I really love the colors in this and they're a great match with what I'm going to be wearing. So I'm starting with the brown shade and putting that into my crease. Then I'm using the peach shade and I'm just putting that all over my eyelid. And then to deepen the crease, I'm using the slightly warmer pink shade. Now this looks really bright in this light and on camera, but I promise it's a lot more subtle. I have some close-ups at the end of this video which really shows the colours a lot better than at this angle at the moment. Next, I'm applying the Revolution Rockstar Liner and then I am using the Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curlers to curl my lashes. I absolutely love the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, it's so good, and then once I've applied that, I'm winging out my eyeliner. I like to do this after so the eyelashes give me a good guideline to follow. Next, I'm using the What's Up highlighter by Benefit in the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm applying some lashes. These are the number 176 by Isla. So now I'm using the Revolution Banana Powder and applying that everywhere other than where I've put my bronzer. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze just to keep my brow hairs in the right position. This product is so good. Finally, for my lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in Tea and Cookies, and then for my lipstick, I'm using the Bobbi Brown matte lipstick in Mauve Over. Now onto my hair, I'm using the Babyliss Berry Crush Curling Tong. You can also get this on Look Fantastic too. And I'm just grabbing sections a similar width to the barrel, wrapping the hair away from my face, holding it for a few seconds and then letting go. And I'm doing this process all the way around my head. Then I really like to brush the curls out just so they look a little bit more undone and flow nicely together. And finally, onto my outfit. I'm wearing this pink bodysuit from House of CB. I think the eyeshadow complements this top so well. And then with that, I'm wearing my blue straight jeans from Missguided. I've also got on this white blazer from Missguided as well, just for an extra layer. And then for my shoes, I've styled this look with these Diamante strappy heels from Nasty Gal. And that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this get ready with me. It's something a little bit different, so I would love to know what you thought in the comments. All of the products from Look Fantastic will be listed in the description, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.